let's take a little walk around the grounds so that I can show you the work that I plan on doing outside. It's a beautiful day today. Um, it has been very cold though. So let's just take a look. It is very bright. I mean, it's been very cold, but I have to start putting things back like this where it goes and start buying hanging baskets for my hangers. Replace some rocks, just buy new ones. I don't know if you can see because it's really bright out, but I just had a landscape guy clean up yesterday, and remember, this used to be all of my flowers. This was a flower bed that I usually do every spring. It is 60 something degrees, so it's still chilly out, but I have to replace these things. The leaves have just been cleaned off of them, but hopefully these things will come back to life. This was, and I kept the tag here. That's what that was. Just so that I can remember. Some of them, the winds and the snow have moved them or blown them away, but there are things popping up. I think this was a hosta that I planted here last year or the year before. It's starting to come up. And that's another hosta. Let's see, but I have to get some more rocks to continue this border because that's been moved. There were rocks all alongside here. Let's see what else. All of these things are starting to come out. These are all hostas, all of them. It's still kind of messy, but little by little I'll be cleaning them up and removing these sticks. So things are finally starting to show, which makes me very happy. And then here, I can't remember what I planted, but these are very delicate. Let me see if I can move these branches. But there are a lot of them here. I forgot what they were called, but they're all starting to come up. These have been kind of pushed down with the leaves. They're not standing up straight any longer. But it's a lot of cleaning up to do. And here, remember, I planted, because I left this tag, a coleus. There was a coleus plant here. So hopefully it'll come back up because it was absolutely beautiful. But I don't see any signs of it. If it doesn't come back up, then I'll replant something in this space along the rocks. This was also a plant that my sister purchased for me about 2 or 3 years ago. And let's see. It looks like it's coming back. I can't remember exactly what it was either. But it's starting to come back. There are a lot of weeds that have to be removed, but little by little. And rocks that have to be replaced, picked up and put back. Let me check this side, because I planted quite a few things along the side of the house last year. I'm not quite sure if they're trying to come back, but let's go check that out. Well, things are starting to grow here too. That's another hosta, I believe. I had more things here, but I'm not quite sure if they're going to come up. This bed needs a lot of cleaning and a lot of attention, because you can see this area from the outside. But I plan on getting new rocks that will divide and separate this area. Things are starting to pop up. Alright, let's get to cleaning. And there's also some new growth here. Looks kind of weird, but... And here. So these two spaces are going to fill up, because there's stuff growing alongside. And I know that I planted these last year, so I know that these will soon be popping up as well. So as I plant, I'll be showing you guys the stuff that I do plant. And there's signs of buds everywhere, which makes me very happy, because we had a really rough winter. This winter was really, really rough. I mean, one of the worst that I have ever seen in a really long time. So, glad to see new growth everywhere. And there's buds everywhere. This makes me very happy. Alright. So as I purchase new plants and start planting them, I'll bring you guys along. Alright, I see you guys in the next one. Take care.